Hi, welcome to Dive in Visuals. Join me as I embark on a scenic journey through the lush forests and winding roads leading to the majestic Nakta Pahad. As the vast landscape unfolds before us, the majestic Nakta Pahad stands tall amidst a sea of lush greenery. As I leave the car behind, the real adventure begins. Trekking up these beautiful mountains, I breathe in the fresh air and take in the stunning views. Every step forward is a step towards discovering something new and amazing. Sometimes, it's important to pause and soak in the beauty around us. Here, at the top of Nakta Pahad, the world feels wonderfully still and peaceful. From the skies above, Nakta Pahad reveals its true splendor. The vast landscape stretches as far as the eye can see, a testament to nature's grandeur. The towering peaks, lush valleys, and endless horizons remind us of the world's vastness and the endless possibilities for exploration. This is more than just a mountain. It's a testament to the grandeur of nature. Life is about exploring the endless possibilities that lie beyond the horizon. Behold the breathtaking beauty of Nakta Pahad from above. The rugged peaks and verdant slopes create a mesmerizing landscape that calls to the adventurer within us. As we glide over this majestic terrain, we're reminded of the power and serenity of nature, encouraging us to step out of our comfort zones and explore the extraordinary. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, we witness the day bidding farewell in the most magnificent way. It's a reminder that every end is a new beginning, and every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. Our adventure comes to a close as we descend the mountain, filled with memories and a sense of tranquility. The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.